What is up, my subscribers, my new viewers? What is up? Welcome back to a whole new video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment if you're feeling the content. Your boy would greatly appreciate all the support that he can get. Things are looking up, things are going up on this channel. Subscriptions going up, likes going up, views going up. You guys are really pushing me to make this content and make it better and better and better, more entertaining, more fun to watch. So I have another educational video, somewhat educational, just trying to put y'all on game and help you all out. So these are one of the type of videos that I like to make just to help the community out and people that don't know the real from fake. So I just think it's a blessing that I'm finding this information online, and I just wanted to share it with you all that may not know about where to find this type of information of human made. So we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna do some more real versus fake part 2. I'm gonna keep dropping these videos with the more information that I get and that I see. I will collect it and just go over it and just break it down and put you all on game and show y'all where to go to find this information. So without further ado, we finna get right into the video. But follow me on IG at mac11.exe. Link will be down below if y'all want to check me out. Hit me up. Whatever y'all want to do, just feel free. Follow me on IG. I would greatly appreciate it. Y'all should go and hit up my boy Futuristic Gears. He made this possible. He made a second Instagram page dealing with human made, and the second page is called Fake Alls. And he made this page to show the real from the fake, things that he has encountered himself, and just wanted to shed light on it and show you all what to look out for. And he's the homie. He hit me up on certain things or information that can help you all, and I'll try and relay it to you all. And I will give him his credit every time when he give me the information that I can't find, and he want to just give it to me to give to you, since I have like so much, like, you know, a little bit of a reach now. And so let's get right into it. Let's start it. All right, so we're finna get right into the real versus fake on Fake Alls page. So we're finna get right into it. So let's start. Here we go. We're gonna start the first one. Again, another tag we can look for the inconsistencies in the fake tags compared to the real. We're gonna start the fake tag first, then we'll go to the real tag to show you what the real tag look like compared to this one. We're gonna start off with this one. It says 3 flaws we see right away. 1, the size tag font should be thicker while the care label font is noticeably different. 2, there should be enough space below made in Japan. I will show you that in the next slide, what he mean by that. Also, the care label should be stitched below the human made rectangular label located inside the garment. All right, so this is the fake, so everybody get a mental picture what the fake look like. And now we're finna jump over to the real tag to show you what to expect and what to look out for when you're buying for somebody else. All right, so here we go. All right, so what he meant about the made in Japan, you see how much space it is, like right here at the bottom of like the Japan and the bottom of the label. It should be like a little bit of space. But if we jump back, you see how close made in Japan is, like to the bottom of that tag. It shouldn't be that low. So we're gonna go back to the real. And again, it doesn't tell you like how to clean your clothes. It don't say do not tumble dry. It don't say that on there. But on the real one, it don't say it. It just shows you the icons. And we're gonna jump back. Like the letter, all this is really off. A lot of this stuff is off. Like that's what we notice on the tag. So this is what to look out for in the tags. As you can see. We're gonna keep jumping back and forth. Also, he meant about that the care label should be stitched below the human made rectangular tag as well. It shouldn't just be these two, like it shouldn't just say medium and this. It should be this tag up top, and these two should be stitched on to this right here. If these two is not stitched on this, it's fake. It's fake. So just run away, just go find something else. Just go say, bro, your shit fake, it ain't real. Keep it pushing. So if these two right here, this M and this one not stitched on to the bottom of this, is fake. So that's one to look out for when it comes to tags. All right, this is something to look out for. Like these tags are just completely wrong. Again, I never seen the human made heart with the 3 dashes at the bottom right. Also, you don't have that rectangular tag with the human made on it like the other one that I just showed y'all. Also, you can just look at this as well. You see like this right here is like shifted, and it's like riding on the side of the tag, like it didn't get perfectly aligned on the tag. So look out for this, because This is just off. This is way off just looking at it. And then here's another tag, same thing. It's still wrong. This is all wrong. Of course they got this one centered, but it's still not the correct way that Human Made create these tags. So watch out for these fakes. Let's get to the next one. Now this one, you can just blatantly see the fake. You can just blatantly see the fake. I never seen a Human Made sweatpants like with a band like this, like the scrunched up band, and I never seen like the bottom of the ankle, like of the sweatpants like this as well. And you can just look at the material. Like if you know Human Made sweatpants, you could tell by the material just looking at it that this isn't authentic. So as you can see right here, it's fake. Next, fake. Like they never made these type of sweatpants. Like if I can go upstairs and get my sweatpants right now, you will see the difference. Let me go out there and show y'all. Let me go upstairs and get them sweatpants and come back down. Give me a second. Now that I'm back, I got my sweatpants right here. And as you can see, if you can see really good on the screen, like you can tell by my waistband right here. Like it's like really like, it's like a more narrow waistband compared to the one that you're seeing right here. This is a little bit more like thicker, like in lengthwise. And these just so fake, man. These are just so fake. And also on a drawstring, they had like the little plastic tips, but on the real ones, you can see they all come like this, like tied like a knot at the end. That's how they should come, not with the tips. So that's completely fake. So please watch out, man. Watch out. Next, don't be fooled. This is not an official Human Made heart embroidery patch. You can tell by the font they use. It was ever only released on Rakama, therefore it's not legit. So I guess they probably used this one time and that was it. And whoever making this logo, they keep using it over and over and over and over when it's supposed to be used only once, just for one collab, I believe. So if you seeing this, it's not real on other products that they trying to sell y'all. So next. If the various companies distributing Human Made fakes manage to try to copy Human Made polar bear, the Human Made duck have to be on top of their list. A fast way to detect a fake is through extra white lining around the duck. The real one don't have it. All right, so I can see what he's saying. And then you can tell by the stitching too, it's just so inconsistent. Like they went a little bit above and beyond with that white stroke around this duck. It just looked a little bit kind of messy, and they're just trying to overdo it, and it just don't look right. And plus the Human Made is not even legible like inside the duck. If you can see that, it's not legible at all. So just make sure, like, just really look close on that type of stuff. And this the real one. They don't even use the damn white stroke around it on the duck. So this is completely fake. I've never seen them do this before. So watch out, y'all, watch out. Because folks out here scamming for real. Next, cell phone cases. Oh, this is completely fake. These are completely fake. I like them, but they're fake. So just stay completely away from it. I like the way it looks. So Nigo, if you see this, just take their shit and just make it yours. Because what they gonna say about it? Nothing, because it's your designs. I kind of like it, like, but it's fake. As you can see, like the polar bear, I never seen like that black foot, like the back foot, like on the opposite side of him, that's cast like this shadowed out. Like I never seen that before, but I kind of like it, to be honest, because it helps breaks it up a little bit. You've seen this on the tee already. It just had the Human Made Storing Cowboy at the bottom of the polar bear, like it's coming out his butt or something. But it's fake, y'all. I'm just throwing it out there. So it's just obvious because I've never seen these cases before. So stay away from them. Make sure y'all don't get got. Unless you really want the case, then go for it. I ain't gonna say not get it, but it's just something to look out for if somebody trying to scam y'all. So you have this account too as a reference. So next, we did this tag in the last video. We talked about these beanies being completely fake because Human Made never made fisherman beanies. So watch out for this, because I already told y'all I've spotted homie on GRAILED trying to sell these beanies for like $100 when they're not even real. So y'all stay vigilant. Make sure y'all don't buy these fake shits. Next, we got another fake, the Human Made duck mug. I think it's an older one. From afar, the two Human Made mugs may look the same, but they're not. The fake one has more rounded edges. All right, so you can tell like by looking at this, all right, One way you can tell it's fake, just look at this right here, like the painted, like how they painted the duck on here. All right, just check out that neck. That sounds weird. Just check the neck out of this one, and now check out this one. Like this one is like kind of blended. As I can see, my homeboy said Caveman Made. He's the homie. Y'all check him out too. Like before I even read that, I could just see the neck on this. Like it just seemed like they got the brush or the paintbrush and just trying to like blend it as if it's like actual feathers, trying to give it that illusion. But when the real one, it just cuts off like a harsh like line to cut it off. So and another thing, this green seemed more like a lighter green that pop a little bit more, and this just seemed more like a darker like forest green. And these colors just off. So be on the lookout of that. And the lettering's a little bit different as well. You really have to look at it really close to tell the difference. But mainly just look at the duck, because this neck is just completely off compared to this one. So y'all be vigilant on that duck mug. So next we're gonna get into this charm. When looking for fake human-made keychains, the thing to do is put them against a light source. The material reveals a full light texture, then don't trust it. The authentic keychain are made of better quality. All right, so this the fake. You got that foil type texture to it. All right, and this one seemed a little bit like smoother and more metallic compared to this one, because this one seemed like you could see the actual textures in it, like the little divots and the grooves. But when you go here to the real one, it just smooth straight up. So be on the lookout for that as well, because this shit just way off. Yeah, it just seemed like they just get like some like a full material and just wrapped it around the keychain and like, all right, that's it. But again, you can tell the difference. This one a little bit smoother. This one got more texture. Next, we will be going to the pillow. Aside from the Human Made Storm Cowboy label looking off due to his extra squinted eyes, the N in Human Made should be below the polar bear ear. This purchase was made on GRAILED, so even if they authenticated, sad to say you need a second check. All right, I can already see what he means, because this N right here should be, like, this whole thing should be pushed over a little bit. And it just seemed like it's like at a somewhat angle when it should be like this, but it's like angled. And let's get into the real. Oh, so I guess the tag is fake too. Like the eyes a little bit like squinted down when it should be like more, like somewhat like a slight angle, but not at a harsh angle. Like this is just way off in the face. Just looks squished in to me. Yeah, they just look way off on that tag. So as you can see on the real one, this end, like, yeah, it should be more level instead of like the angle. Let me go back. Like, you see what I mean? It's somewhat of an angle, and that end, like Human Made, just push a little bit back on the polar bear compared to the real version. So this is what you need to be looking out for. Just make sure everything is aligned. Come to this Instagram page for a point of reference if the information is on here to help you, like, to determine the real from the fake. So that can really help you out before you make a purchase. I was thinking about buying one of these pillows off of GRAILED, but I just held back from it. I'm like, I'm good. All right, so next we will be getting into the crates. Now this is a good one. This is a good one, but I already had seen some things on here that I knew to watch out for. So this is taking forever to load. There we go. So this is fake. So it says if you're looking for a clear indicator that Human Made Girls on Cry container is deemed fake, the manufacturer's Sunko logo will not be seen anywhere. So Sunko should be sitting right here, because on all my crates it says Sunko. So automatic red flag. And this is how it should look right here. It should say Sunko and it has nothing in there. So real from fake. There you go. And we're gonna get more into it with these crates. It said aside from being too thick, the print text on the fake Human Made Girls Don't Cry container would be too close to each other. All right, so let's see what he means. So I guess on Girls Don't Cry, it's like it should be somewhat of a space between this S and D. Like it should be some space, but like this right here, there's like there should be some space, but there's no space between here. Just like kind of pushed back. So I'm gonna swap over here. So this is how it should be. Like the spacing is perfect on here. Be on the lookout if y'all see some shit like this on GRAILED, eBay, or anywhere. Just do your due diligence, man. I'm telling y'all, just make sure y'all doing y'all due diligence and checking out all this stuff. So that's it for that part. Next, it says the human-made grills don't cry container are easy to spot, for they have a thicker font. Yeah, I can see that already. The font, like, look at that. That's just, it shouldn't be that thick of a font, and it's not even legible all the way. Kind of, it's not even really. It's legible, but it's like you really have to look at it to see what it says. Again, be on the lookout for this part as well. See, that's the fake, and here's the real. Now you see how legible that is. You can read it out and see what it says. Again, watch out, y'all. Watch out, because these people out here is straight finessing on 100. So we did these tags already, so we have to go over them. So that's all my boy Futuristic Gears have on his new page, Fake Alls. I would highly suggest everyone to go and follow. I will have a link down below. I'm trying to look out for you all because this information is out here now, because I've been looking for like a while again. And then my boy told me, yo, I just made the new page, and I checked it out, and I told him I'll do a review on it and let you all know what's going on and what to look out for. So thank you, Futuristic Gears. Everybody should be thanking him, because this guy, I'm like, how in the hell he get out his information? I don't know, but he found a way to find it, and he just been that guy, like just finding stuff and hitting me up and letting me know. Then I would let other people know about it before I tell everybody about it. That is it for the video. I got some more coming. I hope you guys come back for some more stuff. I got a lot more stuff to do. I got some New Balance that just came in. It's gonna be a minute until y'all see those, because I got other videos to knock out before that. But I got some stuff lined up. So with that being said, like, comment, subscribe down below. I love you all. Thank you for all the support. There's some big things to come. I promise you, some big things to come. So y'all buckle up, get ready. We're gonna have some fun. Y'all gonna be a part of this channel even more. So again, thank you all for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.